Artificial intelligence, AI. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? Well, the truth is, AI is not as mysterious as it seems. In fact, it's all around us, from the recommendations we get on streaming platforms to the voice assistants in our smartphones. But what exactly is AI, and how does it work? Let's embark on a journey to demystify AI and make it crystal clear for complete beginners. What is artificial intelligence? At its core, artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and even learning from experience. Types of artificial intelligence. There are two main types of AI, narrow AI and general AI. 1. Narrow AI. Also known as weak AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task or set of tasks. Examples include voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommendation systems on e-commerce websites, and self-driving cars. 2. General AI. Also referred to as strong AI, general AI is hypothetical AI that possesses the same level of intelligence and capability as a human being. This type of AI can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just like humans. How does artificial intelligence work? At the heart of AI are algorithms, sets of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a specific task. These algorithms are fed data, which they analyze to identify patterns and make decisions. The more data an AI system has access to, the better it can learn and improve its performance. Machine learning, the engine of AI. One of the key technologies driving AI forward is machine learning. Machine learning algorithms enable computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Instead, they use statistical techniques to identify patterns and make predictions. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on a labeled dataset, where each input is associated with the correct output. The algorithm learns from these examples and can then make predictions on new, unseen data. Unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, the algorithm is given a dataset without any labels. Its goal is to identify patterns or structures within the data without guidance. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is inspired by the way humans learn from trial and error. The algorithm learns by interacting with its environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. Over time, it learns to take actions that maximize the cumulative reward. Deep learning, unlocking the power of neural networks. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to mimic the way the human brain processes information. These neural networks are composed of layers of interconnected nodes, each performing simple computations. By stacking multiple layers, deep learning models can learn increasingly complex representations of the data. Applications of artificial intelligence. AI is transforming countless industries and changing the way we live and work. Here are just a few examples of AI applications. 1. Healthcare. AI is being used to diagnose diseases, develop personalized treatment plans, and improve patient outcomes. 2. Finance. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of financial data to make predictions and inform investment decisions. 3. Transportation. Self-driving cars use AI to perceive their surroundings and make driving decisions in real time. 4. Education. AI-powered tutoring systems provide personalized learning experiences for students, adapting to their individual needs and preferences. The future of artificial intelligence. As AI continues to evolve, it holds the promise of solving some of humanity's most complex challenges. From advancing medical research to mitigating climate change, the potential applications of AI are vast and far-reaching. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence may seem like a daunting topic, but at its core, it's simply about creating machines that can think and act intelligently. Whether it's recommending a movie you might like or diagnosing a rare disease, AI is already shaping the world around us in profound ways. So the next time you interact with a voice assistant or marvel at a self-driving car, Remember that you're witnessing the power of artificial intelligence in action.